It's been a few weeks since I've been back down here at John Robinson Lock and Pike Lock since they turned the taps on, so I thought I'd come down and have a look and see what progress has been made. The swan, like me, enjoying this beautiful spring afternoon. It is very nice here. Dock lock. Still with a little bit of scaffolding on it, although it's slowly starting to peel it back. Got to admit, I thought it'd be a little higher than that. I'm not sure as to why this is still empty. Now, I'm surprised. I don't know. There's the pump. That doesn't look like it's had too much water in it. But it looks like they made some inroads at the lock. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, there's got to be the reason for it. Don't know what it is, but there's a construction of a new temporary bridge to get across the other side, because this will soon be off limits while the construction is ongoing. So, like I say, I am a tad confused as to why that pound is not full. I thought it would be by now. It's obviously some issue. I do not know what it is. Have a quick look over here. Plenty of work going on. There's the old towpath. That's awesome. Look how thick it was buried. Wow. That's fantastic. Still lots of work to go on this part. But it's certainly getting there. But let's hope someone puts the plug back in the pound. That would be good. Who knows? I have no clue. I don't know. Doesn't dock lock look amazing? This doesn't look even better when all that scaffolding's down and some new lock gates on there. She's certainly a stunning structure. Yes, coming along nicely. You're not bothered though, pal, are you? Hey, not a care in the world. Not a care. Okay, so that's this week's update. Lots going on, but I'm none the wiser as to why that pound's not full. Hopefully I'll have more of an update next week. Bye.